Congratulations on the purchase of your new Burtsway gas bottle stand. In order to get started, please first read the enclosed user manual. To unfold your stand, first remove the central locking pin, and now with the hooks facing up, unfold the two outer legs until they create a Y shape. At the center of the stand, make sure that both locking pin holes are aligned with each other and insert the locking pin. Make sure that the pin passes through the hole in each of the legs and is fully inserted and flush with the center of the stand. Lastly, check that the frame is securely locked in a Y shape before use. Do this by taking hold of the opposing legs and checking that each leg is locked in position. Now you are ready to clamp your stand onto your gas bottle. First up, we need to choose the set of hooks that best centers your gas bottle on the frame. As a rule of thumb, the 3 kilogram and smaller bottles will hook onto the innermost hooks. The 5 and 7 kilogram bottles will hook onto the middle set of hooks, and the larger bottles up to 9 kilograms will hook on the outer set of hooks. Just remember, this is a general guideline as all the various brands and sizes of bottles do vary. So just choose the set of hooks which allows your gas bottle to be centered as best as possible. Place your gas bottle onto the frame and over the appropriate set of hooks that you have chosen. Now rotate the clamping screw clockwise until the adjustable hook pulls the base of the bottle against the opposing hooks. Finger tight should be sufficient, and now your gas bottle should be securely clamped to the frame. Each time you clamp your gas bottle onto the frame, turn the bottle over and check that each of the 3 hooks is securely and completely hooked under the lip of the gas bottle. Now you can turn it over, place it on the ground, and it's ready to use. If you need to level the cooking surface, make adjustments on one or both of the height adjustable legs. As an example, if we stand back, you'll notice that the cooking surface is leaning over to the right. So we rotate the foot on the right hand side clockwise and the frame will raise on this side. We may need to make a combination of adjustments on both of the height adjustable feet, rotating them either clockwise or anti-clockwise in order to level the cooking surface. So make the appropriate adjustments and happy cooking. Something important to note, the Burtsway Ultimate Gas Bottle Stand should only be used with gas bottles that have a base ring with an inner rolled lip. So if your gas bottle has a base ring that is flat, as shown here, do not use it with the Burtsway Ultimate Gas Bottle Stand.